Magandang araw sa inyo mga kababayan. So panoorin natin yung naging laban ng ating kababayan na si David Apolinario laban sa kay Angel Ayala na taga Mexico. So nasa flyweight division po sila at tingnan natin, panoorin natin ngayon. Sige po.
Jason Abrams here with you on ESPN Plus. Dave Apolinario in the black with gold trim. In the black, Ayala.
Okay. Ito. Chub si ang ating kababayan. South po dito ang ating kababayan. Orthodox naman dito si Angel, yung Mexicano. Parehas po nagtatimingan yung dalawa. Parehas umaabang ng pagkakamali ng bawat isa. Pirada ni ang ating kababayan pero hindi kumonekta. Yun, sinapol siya dun. Malakas yung mga combo doon ni David. Step back na Apolinario. Maganda dahil may distansya dito si Apolinario. Ganon din yung Mexicano. Ayun. Tinama ng power shot. Body shot. Body shot ng Mexicano sa ating kababayan. Ang kababayan po natin dito ay nakasuot po ng gold black na shorts, boxing shorts, while ang kalaban po na Mexicano ay black shorts with some elements at naka black na gloves and of round 1. Okay, round 2 tayo mga kaibigan. Sumusugod ngayon ng Mexicano. Mabibilis at malalakas ang mga jab dito ng Mexicano. Pareho sila dito nag-aabang. Parehas counter puncher ang mga ito. Naghihintay ng pagkakamali ng bawat isa. Ang maganda din dito sa kababayan natin dahil marunong siyang gumamit ng distansya. Pero ganun din yung kalaban niya dito. Marunong ding tumansya ng distansya. Yun, tumama yung ano dun.
Ayala to change strategy. Good shot from the Philippine fighter.
Abang-abang.
Apolinero so far through a round and a half.
Pag dalawang counter puncher yung naglaban, medyo tipid yung mga suntok dahil naghihintayan talaga kung sinong magkakamali.
Right hook just missed. That hook comes from
Alay pag ang
counter right hand.
kalaban is brawler,
Much of the fight.
yun talaga maano talaga yun, action pack talaga ang laban na yun. Pero ang ano naman ng mga brawler, kung meron silang mga nakakatapat na mga technical fighter, yun yung mga kahinaan naman ng mga brawler.
Cross just missing from Apolinero there.
Parehas maingat ang dalawang mandirigma.
Right jab to the body from Apolinero. Right left.
Sayang yung mga power punch dito ng kababayan natin kasi hindi kumukonekta. Pero makikita mo sa suntok may lakas din eh.
Apolinero left hook misses the body from Ayala. Both fighters feeling each other out here in the second. Those punches are being thrown, not much landing. Not straight left.
Umingiti-ngiti doon yung kalaban natin. End of round 2 tayo mga kaibigan. Pasok round 3.
Apolinero seems to be a little bit animated this round. Right left combination by Apolinero. You just tell the body language he's ready to throw. And he comes out doing so here in the third. Combination's just missing. But his foot is on the accelerator. Ayala trying to answer back with a combination of the body.
Maganda din yung kalaban dito ng ating kababayan ay may katangkaran din.
Right hand missing.
At mapapansin din natin na mahaba din yung reach advantage ng Meksikano. Ayun. Sumusugod ng Meksikano. Tumama yung uppercut doon ni Apolinario.
Ayala waving him in.
Mukhang doon natinag doon yung Meksikano. Tinama.
Big right hook from
Bilis din yung kamao dito ng ating kababayan.
Bring it on, says Ayala. That big punch hasn't landed from Ayala yet this fight. There's been a couple from Apolinero. Nothing of note from Ayala as of yet. Good body work. Good left hook to the body. That really is one of Ayala's big weapons. That left to the body. And that's really the first we've seen in this fight. Right left combination. Apolinero blocked. Good digging right hook to the body.
Maganda rin yung depensa dito ng Meksikano. Bihira tumama yung mga power punch ng ating kababayan dito.
Carrying the jabs. Ayala.
Sumisigaw na po yung mga supporter ng kalaban natin. Body shot. Ako, body shot.
More body work from Ayala. Apolinero answering in kind. This was a winging back shot. Just missed Apolinero.
Yun ang mga nagpapatigil din sa mga boksingero pag tinatamaan ng body shot, lalo na kung malakas din yung pinapakawalang body shot, tumitigil talaga. Ayan, tingnan natin yung slow mo. Yun, body shot.
Angel Ayala.
Body shot ulit.
Round 4 underway. From Mexico.
Round 4.
Apolinero in the black and gold. Ayala It is blocked. Aztec design on the front. Good work from Ayala as he presses forward. The southpaw stance giving Ayala a little bit of trouble.
Focus na focus dito yung kalaban ni Apolinario. Kagandaan din dito, magaling gumamit ng jab yung Meksikano.
Partially blocked by Apolinario, but still
Kaya hindi nakaka-penetrate dito yung natin yung ating kababayan.
that last
Magaling gumamit ng jab. At sa tuwing papasok na si Apolinario, may mga nakaabang na yung yun, nag-switch ng from southpaw, naging orthodox na itong Meksikano. Parang mala Crawford din eh. Nagsi-switch ng stance.
winning. There's more to winning on the road than just an eye test, especially if you're relying on subtleties. At this point, I don't think you can count on outflying an opponent and winning a world title on the road. You've got to do it with vengeance and violence. And we're not seeing that much out of Apolinario. Through round 4. We are seeing it from Ayala here in the fourth though. Counter right left from Apolinario. That right hook so strong from the Philippines side. Ayala, good work up top. Left hook just missing. Ayala. Right hand missing as well. Right hook up top from Apolinario.
Right hook ng
In response.
ni Apolinario.
Counter left just missing from Apolinario. Another straight left. That one landed from Apolinario. Good right hand from Ayala. Big right hook.
Nako,
Apolinario. Left
tumama. Ayun, bakbaka na.
line here in the fifth.
Bakbaka na. Round 6, round 5.
Round 5 underway here from Mexico City. Jason Abelson calling the action on ESPN Plus. It's been a great night. And this fight just has the feeling that something is going to explode very quickly. Angel Ayala in the black and Aztec design. Dave Apolinario in the black and gold.
Nako, hindi na sumasagot dito yung ating kababayan.
And it's Ayala picking up where he left
Mukhang pinapaulanan na siya ng suntok.
foot on the gas and going forward. Good right hook from Apolinario. Right hook over the top from Apolinario. There may have been a low blow. Yes, a low blow. The left hook landed quite low.
Mukhang hindi natansya dito ni Apolinario yung Meksikano.
As I'm sure
Akala niya
will take all the time he needs.
kayang-kaya. Pero sa mga ipinapakita ay parang dehado na siya dito.
Roberto Ramirez, that he's ready. Referee indicating that that was indeed a low blow to the judges. And telling Ayala to keep it up. Good right-left combination from Ayala, pressing the pace forward. Apolinario trying to counter with power shots, but just missing. Left hand by Apolinario. Winging right, just missing from Ayala. That one didn't though. Ayala's now a southpaw. I wondered if he would do it. And that jab
Lumilipat-lipat talaga ng stance dito yung Meksikano.
opens up suddenly for Apolinario with Ayala in that southpaw stance. Two southpaws all of a sudden in the ring. And now a confident Ayala with that jab suddenly as a weapon beginning to press forward. Ayala now back in the orthodox stance. Again, he switches seamlessly between stances. Good left-right combination from the Mexican. Apolinario now a little wild with the shots. It's a crisper, more concise Ayala that's taken this round so far.
Naku.
Apolinario. Digging right land from Ayala. There may have been a slip.
Umiinit ng Meksikano dito. Round 6.
Good round. For the local boy, Angel Ayala. For Angel Ayala.
Round 6 mga kababayan.
Round 6 underway. Suddenly aggressive. Angel Ayala. Beginning to find his stride. Good body work. Being warned for a kidney punch. It's tough though against the southpaw. He turns his back.
Ayun.
No intentions for that punch being a liver punch. Whoa, that's a body punch. Wow, a right-left body punch floored
Body shot.
the Philippine Dave Apolinario.
Eto na, na-body shot na dito yung mga
Got stunning body power.
na-body shot na ang ating kababayan. Naka-uppercut pa.
Now, an emboldened Ayala presses forward, but eats a couple of right hooks from Apolinario. And the left hook. Oh, the fight is on.
Body shot mga kababayan. Tinamaan ng body shot.
From Ayala. Apolinario
Pabagsak na dito yung ating kababayan. Pabagsak na.
severe duress as Ayala pours it on to the
Lumalaban pa rin ang ating kababayan. Pero nakikita na yung papalapit na pagsuko ng ating kababayan.
back, but it's an agitated and relentless Ayala that's pouring it on here in the sixth. Good body work, not
Wala na.
Ayala
Wala na to.
relenting to the body, and down goes Apolinario.
Wala na to.
Time, and he might not make it.
Panalo ang Meksikano.